Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for one of my favorite dipping sauces for seafood. I really like this sauce because it combines my two favorite ingredients to pair with seafood, lemon and Old Bay. It's a lemon and Old Bay aioli. It only takes a few minutes to throw together, so stick around and I'll show you how it's done. So making an Old Bay aioli, or really any type of aioli, is really simple and you only need a few ingredients. I'm going to start by going in with 1 egg yolk. Next, I'll add 2 cloves of roasted garlic. I have a link in the description box below if you want to see how to make roasted garlic. You can also use raw, but this is better in my opinion. I'm going to juice 1/3 of a lemon. And next we can add the Old Bay. I'm going to start with about 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay. We can always add more if this isn't enough. And the process to make the aioli is once you get your ingredients into the food processor, the last ingredient we're going to add is the olive oil. Now, I like to use neutral flavor. This is extra light, so it really doesn't have much flavor. You can use other types of neutral flavored oil too. I've measured out 1/2 cup. And what I'm going to do just before adding in that oil, I'm just going to blitz this a few times. And that should be plenty. And what we want to do, we want to start the blade continuously spinning and very slowly add in the oil. You want to make sure to add the oil very slowly because otherwise the aioli sauce will not emulsify. Okay, and after slowly adding in the olive oil, that's how it should look. So what I like to do at this stage, I like to give everything a mix just to make sure everything is evenly incorporated. It's always a good idea to unplug your food processor. And what you want to do with the little spatula is just to go in there and kind of wipe the sides, hit those corners just to make sure there's no pieces of anything. Everything will get evenly mixed this way. And then once you stir everything up, you can put the lid back on, and we're just going to mix that for a couple more seconds. Okay, we can pop that lid off. Again, always a good idea to unplug the cord, and that looks perfect. Okay, so here is the finished sauce, lemon and Old Bay aioli. Let me give it a quick taste. So that's really good. The seasonings are really balanced. You can taste that Old Bay and the lemon. Going to go really well with seafood. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. In the next video I do, I'm going to show you an application for this sauce with a really great seafood dish. I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking, and I'll see you again soon.